Hey dolls, welcome back to my channel. If you want to see how I accomplished this beautiful turquoise look while rocking my mask, then stick around. Let's jump right into it. So I'm going to do my brows. That's the first thing I always like to do. I'm really just going to focus on the eyes today because we are still wearing our mask and we are still being safe out there. So go ahead and fill your brows. If you want to learn a quick brow tutorial, there is one on my channel and I'll try to link that below. I'm just going to fill my brows in really quickly because we don't have a lot of time to spend. We have our families that we're trying to take care of. We have those Zoom meetings that we have to get to. So this is a really quick tutorial and we still want to go out today and look beautiful. So we are going to make sure we have those eyes popping, honey. I'm just using this is a Wet n Wild pencil. Pencil from the drugstore. Just doing in my brows. Make sure I have them even as possible. And then what I'm going to do is clean them up with a little concealer. I'm using my Born This Way multi-purpose sculpting concealer. I'm using a MAC 195 brush. Just going to clean those up a little bit. And we're just going to make it pop with some simple colors. I'm going to use my Juvia's Place, the Masquerade palette, because I'm going to focus on some of these, the blues here. Probably start off with, I think I'm going to use this one because it matches my scarf better. I have to clean this out. Alright, so what I like to do is start with a new, like a brown nude color. I'm going to use this here first. That's my transition color. I'm just going to take this, using a round fluffy brush, go right into the crease. Right into the crease. I'm doing a circular motion. Keep it simple. Right into the crease. See how that's showing up? It just gives you some definition. Same thing on this side. If you want to open your eyes and see where your crease is, you can do that. Lay that, patting and swiping at the same time. Pat and swipe. What I do, I take it and I stick it right into that crease. Pull it over. I have small eyelids, big eyelids, so I just stick it right in there and I just go back and forth. And I just stop about halfway, a little more than halfway. right up under that brow bone. How pretty is that? And all we have is 2 colors so far, 2 colors. So now what I'm going to do, I'm satisfied with my blue. I love the blue. I'm going to go back with my round fluffy brush. And I think I'm going to pop. It's like a brick color. I'm going to pop this color in. Right here on the corner. And I'm just blending that in with my existing. Take it right in that corner and same circle of motion. You're going to blend those 2 colors together. And I'm doing part circular. Got a big wing, a little small one. Mascara on. Pop my lashes on, and we'll be back for the finished look. So the lashes that I'm using is a new lash company that's coming soon, the Beehive. Aren't these gorgeous? I love these lashes. So stick around for the finished look. I'll be back. And here you have it, dolls, the finished look. So you can still be fabulous and rock your mask. And still wow the crowd. I'm rocking this sequence, gold sequence mask by Phenomenal Fashions. Aren't my lashes beautiful? By the Beehive Company, that's coming soon. I finished the look with just a little powder, no foundation, only focusing on the eyes. So go ahead, like, comment, and subscribe to my channel as I bring you video content that's quick, easy, and simple. And go ahead and tell your girlfriends about me. Stay positive and stay safe.